just found a brand new AI app builder that allows anybody to build a monetizable app in minutes. And the best part about it is you don't have to know how to code or anything like that. All you have to do is have an idea, be able to explain it in plain English, and boom, this tool is going to do the rest and build it out for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, how it works, and I'm going to share with you a few app ideas that you could build out today and easily make over $10,000 a month. Now, that brand new tool that I'm talking about is going to be Base 44 because they've got so many great features that are absolutely amazing. For example, if you wanted ideas in order to get started, literally you could just come over here and click on these, and then this is going to go through and actually give you things. So I clicked on personal finance right here, and then we have debt repayment planner. Guess what? It literally comes up here and prompts it for you. And if you don't like the ideas that it has right here, you could click on get more ideas and it keeps going through them. And this kind of shows you exactly how you should be prompting Base 44. In addition to that, if you click on this right here, you could come over here and you could upload PDFs in here or images if you have different style things, or if you have certain things that you want to show on the page, you'd be able to do that here. For example, if you have Figma designs or you went on Stitch and made designs, you could add that here. In addition to that, what you could do is scroll down over here and you're going to be able to see a bunch of different templates from the community. And if you like any of these, you could literally come straight into these and you could clone these apps incredibly easily. Okay, so here's how I'm actually going to prompt this. I'm going to say over here, design a debt repayment planner. It should create strategies for efficient debt repayment, including snowball and avalanche methods. And then I'm going to say the app should collect financial data. It should come over here. And basically, I wrote out everything that this should go through and this should actually do. We should see that I want it to do a ton here. And I also want it to have different smart features right here. Now from here, I'm literally just going to click this, and with one prompt, this is going to go off and this is going to build me the app of my dreams no matter what idea I have. And what you're going to notice is that this tool right here takes what used to take weeks and cost you tens of thousands of dollars in developer work and condenses it all literally into a few minutes. On top of that, as you can see down here, I have a bunch of different smart features that I want added. And guess what? You can do that because this can actually insert AI into your apps, which allows you to build out some things that are pretty complex. For example, we're doing a debt repayment app right here, but you could use this to make viral posts or to create things like smart workflows. Now, as we can see here, this is going through and very quickly. This is building the layouts, this is building the different pages, this is building all the different components, and this is working incredibly quickly and incredibly efficiently. And we could see that this is actually detecting the errors before it actually even shows us anything, and it goes through and is actually fixing those errors before we ever even spot them, which is amazing because if you've ever used any other vibe coding tools, well, guess what? You probably run into this issue and they don't actually catch their own errors, and then you have to sit here for hours trying to fix it, but Base 44 catches them for you. On top of that, what I really love about this is this doesn't require any complicated setup. We're literally just dealing with Base 44 here. We don't have to link up a bunch of different integrations or even use something like GitHub. Okay, now from here, we could see that this is done and we could see what this looks like on a computer. We could see what this is going to look like on a mobile device, and we could actually click through this and go through all the different settings, the what if simulator, the strategy comparison, my debts, and there's even a dashboard here, which is pretty awesome. In addition to that, if we click over in the dashboard right here, you'll be able to see that you could change the visibility on your app. You could hide the Base 44 badge. You can invite users. You could come over here and actually see all of your users. So this has a database built into it, which is pretty awesome. You could come over here and do things like look at the data inside of here. You could actually see analytics for who's coming over here and different pages that they're going through and unique use over time and all of that jazz. In addition to that, if we click into domains right here, guess what? You can actually use a custom domain. You just have to upgrade for that, and then you'll be able to connect your domain to this one, or you could edit the URL if you wanted to actually edit that. In addition to that, we could come over here and we can actually run security checks, which is awesome. And it allows you to look at your different data entities and see whether or not they're secure, which I would strongly suggest that you do. You could come over here and see all of the different API integrations. And if you click on agents right here, you could see that you can actually build AI agents into your app. And again, This is incredibly powerful because most other vibe coding tools do not allow you to do that. In addition to that, if we come over here, you could set up authentication incredibly easy for Facebook, Microsoft, Google, and even email and password authentication. And if you come into the app settings, you could change pretty much everything that you want about this. And this right here is incredible because this is an all-in-one app builder. On top of that, if you wanted to start accepting payments with this, it actually has a Stripe integration, so you could do that incredibly easy. And I want you to think about this. This right here, Base 44, all these different things, domains, security, data, Stripe integrations. You used to have to go through and use multiple different apps in order to actually build this out, and multiple different tools, multiple different integrations, and it was a huge pain. But with Base 44, you could do it all just from one tool. And remember, I literally just gave this one prompt right here and it built out this whole thing for me. And then if I wanted to actually change anything, there are a few things that you could do. You could come over here and you can actually change AI mode right here. So you can change what model is actually going to be used. In addition to that, you can come into AI controls right here, which allows you to freeze certain files so that it won't be edited. In addition to that, you can come over here and add in custom instructions, which are going to be guidelines that help the AI's behavior and responses. In addition to that, we could come over here and we could upload more photos or more PDFs if we wanted to. And if you just wanted to discuss things without actually getting this to change anything, just click on discuss right here and you'll be able to go back and forth with the AI right here and figure things out. And then you could turn discuss mode off and then have it actually implement those things. Now, before I give you a handful of app ideas that you could build and monetize today, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Base 44 for yourself today. Because when you use this tool, the app of your dreams is literally only one prompt away. And by the way, if you use the coupon code ROB10, you're gonna get 10 extra credits. Okay, now in terms of different use cases that I would strongly suggest that you explore, the first one is going to be building out things that are going to be niche finance apps. So if we come over here and we click on more ideas a few times, we're going to see personal finance pop up here. Now, we don't necessarily want to build off of personal finance, but if we come over here, we could find something like an expense tracker, and guess what? You should do this not for personal finance, but you can use this to actually replace QuickBooks, or you could build a QuickBooks replacement and you could use this for two different things. One, you could use it for yourself internally, or two, you could build it and just undercut QuickBooks and be able to get a lot of different clients very easily. In addition to that, you could also change this so instead of being an expense tracker, it could be something like an invoice generator, or even better, you could mix those two things together. I want you to think about this. I want you to think about all the apps right now that you currently pay a lot of money for, but you only use one feature, or maybe you use two features. You can now build those out with Base 44, market them to your niche, and very easily be able to build yourself an app that makes $10,000 a month or even way more. Now, the second idea that I would strongly suggest that you explore is if we come over here into content generation, we could see that this can do several things under here. One, this can actually make memes for you. So if you click on this, this will give you the prompt. Basically, you can make a viral meme creator. And I want you to think about this again. You could do this for Instagram. You could do this for TikTok. You could do this for Facebook. And guess what? You just built out 3 different tools for 3 different niches, which allows you to actually build out better solutions for all of them. Or you could do a social media post generator. This will actually allow you or your users to create engaging posts with customizable templates and trending hashtags. Or you could build out an AI-powered writing assistant, aka a script writer. Or what you could do, which is what I would actually suggest that you do, is you could build all of these things into one tool. And then guess what? You can market it on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, across all of social media. And you could even pay influencers to also market this stuff. And this is how so many people are making money when they build out apps. They're not coming out with some brand new idea. They're building out functionality that a lot of times already exists, or they're AI-ifying things that already exist. They're doing a better job marketing it, and they're just niching it down. Because think about it, Microsoft has to charge a lot of money. Adobe has to charge a lot of money, but you can actually just pick off one thing that they do great, create a better product for it and sell it, and that's exactly what Base 44 is really good for. Now, use case number 3 is actually going to be found other health and wellness right here. We could see meal planner and recipe finder. Now, I wouldn't do something that is broad here where we could see that they're based on dietary preferences and restrictions. I would do these 4 different niches. For example, I would do a vegan one. I would do a keto one. I would do a carnivore one, and you can build in AI with this, where you can also have a workout routine generator, you can also have a water intake tracker, or even, think about this, you could build something out that gives you recipes, you take a picture of it, you upload it, and it will literally tell you how many calories you just ate, and it could be a calorie tracker app, and you have all these things inside of one app, because again, Base 44 literally gives you the prompt for each of these, has a bunch of templates for each of these, so you could do this incredibly easily. Now, the other opportunity I did want to make sure that you're aware of, if we come over here, you can scroll through here and get ideas for everything. But what you should really be thinking about are there are so many people that have big audiences on social media. And guess what? They don't want to sell courses anymore. They don't want to sell coaching anymore. They would be way better off selling an app, and you can partner with those people. In fact, Base 44 makes it so you could partner with several of them, and then they're not doing brand deals anymore. Instead, they're actually selling their own apps that they created. And this is the biggest opportunity right now, not only of 2025, but I think it's going to be even bigger in 2026. So the quicker that you hop on this, the more easy it's going to be for you to make money with AI. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other AI tools that I personally can't live without. I'll see you over there.